Get the latest August 2026 codes for 99 nights in the forest and claim up to 900 diamonds in just a few seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some exciting news for all 99 nights in the forest players. The huge August 2026 update is finally here, bringing new rewards, exciting events, and free diamond and gem codes you definitely don't want to miss. So let's jump straight into it. First, open 99 nights in the forest on your device. Once you're inside the game, tap on the diamond icon. Then scroll down until you find the code section. This is where you'll enter the August 2026 codes that I'm going to show you. Simply paste the code into the box. Press submit, and if the code is still active, your rewards should be added to your account. But wait, there's more. These aren't just regular codes. I'm talking about August 2026 diamond and gem codes that can help you collect some awesome free rewards. And make sure you stay until the very end, because I'll also share a bonus code that you won't want to miss. So don't skip ahead and watch carefully, because one of the final rewards will be the best one yet. Alright, enough talking. Let's reveal the latest August 2026 codes right now.